ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. The AI battle of the future. In the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, two powerful chatbots are making waves: ChatGPT and DeepSeek. But which one is superior? How do they work? And what does this mean for the future of AI? Let's dive deep into the battle of the titans, ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. The basics, what are they? To start, let's break down what these AI models really are. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a language model designed to generate human-like responses, assist in coding, create content, and even hold conversations. DeepSeek, a newer competitor, claims to push AI capabilities further by enhancing reasoning, factual accuracy, and open-source adaptability. But how do they compare? And which one is better suited for different tasks? Question 1. Have you ever used an AI chatbot? If yes, which one? Question 2. Do you think AI can replace human creativity? The technology behind them. Let's go under the hood and see what powers these chatbots. ChatGPT is built on the GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, architecture, trained with vast amounts of data, refining responses through reinforcement learning and user feedback. DeepSeek, on the other hand, claims to integrate advanced retrieval augmented generation, RAG, techniques, making it more factually accurate and robust in problem-solving. This means DeepSeek is more precise in retrieving real-world information, while ChatGPT offers more fluid and creative responses. But which one is smarter? Question 3. Should AI focus more on creativity or accuracy? Question 4. Can AI models ever fully understand human emotions? Accuracy and fact-checking, which one is more reliable? A major concern with AI chatbots is misinformation. How do ChatGPT and DeepSeek handle this? ChatGPT is known for generating creative and conversational responses, but sometimes it hallucinates information, meaning it makes up facts. DeepSeek, with its focus on retrieval-based learning, is designed to minimize errors and provide more verified responses. But even the most advanced AI can still be fooled. Can we ever fully trust AI-generated information? Question 5. Have you ever caught an AI giving a completely wrong answer? Question 6. Should AI be held accountable for spreading false information? Speed and efficiency. Which AI responds faster? When we compare response times, ChatGPT is optimized for rapid interactions, processing large prompts quickly. DeepSeek, however, claims to balance speed with depth in responses. ChatGPT delivers fast and contextually rich responses but may sometimes prioritize fluency over factual correctness. DeepSeek might take slightly longer but aims for accuracy-driven answers. So, is speed more important than accuracy when it comes to AI assistants? Question 7. Would you prefer an AI that answers quickly or one that takes longer but is more accurate? Question 8. How much do you rely on AI in your daily life? Creativity and problem-solving. Which one excels? Now, let's put their creative abilities to the test. ChatGPT is known for storytelling, creative writing, and generating ideas for businesses, marketing, and social media content. DeepSeek claims to be more structured in problem-solving, making it more useful in technical and research-based applications. Which chatbot would you trust to write a movie script or solve a complex mathematical problem? Question 9. Can AI-generated content be as good as human-created stories? Question 10. Would you watch a movie entirely written by AI? Programming and coding. Which AI helps developers more? Both AI models can assist with programming, but who does it better? ChatGPT is widely used by developers for generating code snippets, debugging, and explaining programming concepts. DeepSeek, with its fact-driven learning model, aims to provide more reliable coding assistance and structured documentation. But does AI-generated code reduce the need for real programmers? Question 11. Should AI be used to write and debug code? Question 12. Will AI replace software engineers in the future? Ethics and AI safety. Can we trust these chatbots? AI raises ethical concerns. How do these models handle privacy, bias, and misinformation? ChatGPT and DeepSeek both filter harmful content, but biases can still exist in their training data. OpenAI and DeepSeek's developers continuously update safety measures, but is it enough? Can AI truly be unbiased? Or will it always reflect human biases? Question 13. Should AI have restrictions on what it can and can't say? Question 14. Can AI ever be completely neutral? The future. What's next for AI? As AI evolves, what can we expect next? ChatGPT and DeepSeek are pushing boundaries, and future versions could be even more advanced, capable of reasoning like humans, automating tasks, and even becoming virtual companions. But how far should we go with AI? Question 15. Would you trust AI to make major decisions for you? Question 16. Should AI have emotions? Question 17. Can AI replace human teachers or therapists? Question 18. Will AI ever develop true consciousness? Question 19. What's the most exciting or scary thing about AI to you? Question 20. Who do you think wins, ChatGPT or DeepSeek? The battle between ChatGPT and DeepSeek is just beginning. Both have their strengths and weaknesses, but one thing is clear: AI is shaping the future of technology and our daily lives. The question is, are we ready? Tell us in the comments, which AI do you prefer, and why? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech documentaries.